take one. Me and Bailey zombies, we're gonna go real quick.
Weaver's sitting out this time.
Let me get the gun.
Weaver's sitting out this time. He just stole my seat after calling me fat. We're about to have a problem.
Let's go!
Tired?
I don't like these goggles.
Yeah, me neither.
Wrong side. That's good. Hello?
Where?
Hello? Oh! I'm recording.
Hey, you're actually recording now?
Time limit, see if we make it.
I was just gonna rush into the house. You wanna stay in here?
Yeah, well, we kind of need to give him a little bit of time to set up.
I'm just going in the house.
Yeah, it's okay. Dun, dun, dun.
Is everyone ready? Remember, you cannot shoot for the first 5 seconds.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm going home.
You got it. Oh, my bad. You scared the crap out of me.
Don't shoot this way right into the